Hi, I'm Brady Huff, authorized installer for Witt Lining Systems. One of the many benefits of a drop-in PVC liner is that they are easy to repair. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a hot air welder to make a repair.
To make the repair, you may require the following items: an arc tester, a hot air welder, non-petroleum based cleaner, a grinder, utility knife, probe or flathead screwdriver, repair materials, and some kind of weight. If the repair area is not obvious, an arc tester can help locate the hole. If the liner has been in service, use a grinder to remove any surface chemistry and expose fresh PVC. Wipe the area with the cleaner. This will help make for a more successful repair.
Cut a patch that allows for at least 1 inch of overlap over the repair area. Tack one end of the patch to the liner to hold the patch in place. Place the nozzle of the heat gun between the patch and the liner, directing equal heat on each. Apply pressure near the nozzle of the gun to weld the patch to the liner, while moving the hot air welder away from the welded area. With the center of the patch welded in place, proceed to weld the ends of the patch to the liner.
With the weld complete, check the integrity of your weld with a probe or flathead screwdriver. You can also test the weld with an arc tester. Once you've completed your inspections, the liner is ready to be placed back into service.
Repairing a liner with a hot air welder is a fairly simple task. For more information, follow the link to our website or give us a call. I'm Brady Huff. Thanks for watching.